If you're seeing the message, there was an error with your request on itch.io, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right away to get back into the site or keep playing your downloaded games. This is a common issue, and in many cases, it's just a temporary server problem on itch.io's side. So before you do anything complicated, the first thing to try is wait it out. Refresh the page after a few minutes, or come back later and see if the site starts working again. If the error is caused by an internal server issue, it may resolve itself without you needing to change anything. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, if you're using the itch.io desktop app and the website still isn't loading properly, there's another useful workaround. Even if web access is broken, you may still be able to play your downloaded games directly from your computer. Open the folder where the game was downloaded, look for the game's executable file, usually the .exe file on Windows, and run it directly. This bypasses the website entirely and can save you a lot of time if you just want to launch the game. If that doesn't solve it, move on to browser troubleshooting. One of the easiest fixes is clearing your browser cache. Sometimes old stored data causes login or request errors on itch.io. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cached files. After that, restart your browser and try opening itch.io again. Another quick option is to use an incognito or private window. This helps you check whether the problem is caused by cookies, extensions, or saved session data in your normal browser. If itch.io works in incognito mode, then the issue is likely with your browser data rather than the site itself. You can also try disabling browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, since those can sometimes interfere with requests on websites like itch.io. After trying these steps, test the site again and see whether the error is gone. In many cases, one of these simple fixes is enough to get things working normally again. So to recap, first wait it out in case it's just an internal server error, then try opening your downloaded game directly through the app folder, and finally clear your cache or use an incognito window to troubleshoot browser issues. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for gaming and app errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.